हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, ये पार्ट 2 है हमारा प्रीवियस ईयर MCQs बेस्ड ऑनलाइन बोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम का। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 तक देखे थे। इस वीडियो में हम आगे के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 है, Which of the following is not a method used for size reduction? Answer is C. Question number 42. Which of the following is the type of manometer? Answer is C. Question number 43. The pore size which removes the viruses is? Answer is A. Question number 44. Shape of mixing element present in zigzag mixer? Answer is A. Question number 45. The type plate and frame filter is? Answer is C. Question number 46. The attrition force used in? Answer is A. Question number 47. Unit of the rate of heat transfer is? Answer is D. Question number 48. After centrifugation, sublimate? Answer is C. Question number 49. Which of the following is not a type of energy loss? Answer is C. Question number 50. The changing of a liquid into vapors from the surface of the liquid without heating it is called? Answer is C. Question number 51. In Bernoulli's theorem, the potential energy is also known as? Answer is D. Question number 52. The filter paper must be folded? Answer is D. Question number 53. Filtration is used for which of the following process is used to separate insoluble particles from liquids? Answer is A. Question number 54. If the surface area of liquid is large, then evaporation will be. Answer is B. Question number 55. Which type of distillation is used for the preparation of aromatic spirit of ammonia? Answer is D. Question number 56. Which of the following medium is most corrosive? Answer is A. Question number 57. Which mixture is used when one of the component is very less in quantity? Answer is C. Question number 58. After centrifugation, when the sublimate settles the clear liquid, answer is B. Question number 59. The heat sensitive food stuff pharma products are dried by drying. Answer is B. And the last question, question number 60. Which of these is not mechanism of size separation? Answer is C. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are amazing. Keep learning, keep growing, stay happy and stay blessed.